everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tabitha, the owner of Elegant Living. And hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Come on in here and tell me where you guys are coming from and what you're doing on this beautiful Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday Talks. We're going to talk about what you can do in your home immediately to change and refresh it. Okay, there's 3 things I'm going to tell you. And come on here, tell me hello. Make sure you share, like, and comment for a chance to win a $50 gift card at the end of the month, which it's a new month. Happy October. Yay, we made it, everybody. Made it another month. Okay, hello, Tracy. Okay, so we're going to talk about what you can do to refresh your home immediately. Kind of, not necessarily on a budget, but kind of budget friendly is what I'm going to say, budget friendly. Okay, first one. This is easy. This is what I tell every single person in our Elegant community every single month is if you're feeling, or if you actually, honestly, if you hire me to decorate your home, this is the first thing that I tell you that you need to do. Okay, rearrange your furniture. It's so important to rearrange your furniture. Sometimes, I haven't done it for a while, I'll be honest, because I'm ready to go in and remodel my home a little bit, do some updates, which is happening. Like, I can't tell you, I'm so excited. Lexi's laughing at me because it's honestly, truthfully, it's so exciting to get a new refresh. But when you do this, look at your furniture that you have in existing rooms and look at your furniture that you have right there, whatever room, like if you're working on your living room, and look at it and see that you can actually look at it in a different light, okay? It's so important to do that, guys. Sometimes just taking out a piece can actually open up a room really, really well, and it makes the flow of the room work really better. Sometimes just rearranging your living room furniture for like the holidays, especially, because if you're going to get into Christmas for your Christmas tree, it's so important. And honestly, I'm going to tell you, there's something about rearranging furniture that gives you this freshness about your house. You clean, of course, you're going to be cleaning, so you just get to clean and do all the things. So rearranging your furniture is so important. I'm going to tell you, we went to a consultation last month, since it's already October 1st. It was last month. And we were doing, honestly, she was wanting help on her master bedroom. If you know who I am, hello. She wanted help on that. And we told her to change her, basically where her bed and her nightstands were, to change it on a different wall. Now, what that's going to do sometimes is open up the room and make it feel more spacious and more inviting. So if you feel like a room is kind of off, rearrange your furniture. I promise you. She called us, or she texted me the next day when she did this and said, Tabitha, it looks so awesome. So go in, even in your bedroom, look and see how you can rearrange some furniture because it makes a huge difference. Hello, Marta. Good afternoon. Okay, number 2, update your hardware. This is something I'm going to do downstairs. I was already talking to Jason about it today. I said, I really want to update the hardware. Updating your hardware can give you such a fresh look. You can kind of update it, especially with the golds, kind of being the gold tones being really popular right now. That's a really good way to kind of add some different hardware. Now, in the autumn house, we just showed you to incorporate some of the golds. If you have other metals in the room, to upgrade it, you can go on to basically Amazon, and maybe I'll link that here, Amazon, to update your hardware, where you can incorporate some of like the gold, and then what else is it, like matte finishes and things like that. They have the two together so that you can incorporate that, which I absolutely love, because it's not changing every single thing in your house and in your space. It's just incorporating another metal in there. So like right here, I have black. So if you wanted to incorporate black with gold, stunning. But what it does is it lets you allow you to have another one in there, but not having to change out all the hardware in the house. So hello, Janet. So definitely look at your hardware and look at that something as you can incorporate in your house and change it up, and it's a renewal, a refresh. Okay, last thing, third thing. Change lighting. This is so important, especially this time of the year when we're kind of getting ready for fall. We're getting ready to get our houses ready for the winter months where it's warmer, and it's getting warmer right now to do it, but it's going to get a lot cooler in the evenings. We're going to be at home more. We're going to be in our homes a lot more. It's really nice and inviting to have little accent lights. So look at your spaces tonight when you go home, or if you're at home, look at your accent lighting that you have in a room. For instance, a living room. They say that you should have, the rule of it, I don't know if this is true because I have lights all over because I love accent lighting, but they say you should have at least 3 accent lamps on in your living room at all time, which I think is so important. And you want to make sure that when you're looking at your room that it's all different placements. You don't want them all on one end of the house. You want them kind of all or into the room. You want them all spread out so that it's accent lighting throughout. So that's a very inexpensive way. You can go to Home Goods, you can go to Michael's, you can go pretty much anywhere anymore and buy pretty lamps. Kirkland has beautiful ones always. So don't always keep that in mind. And even honestly, Amazon has some really beautiful accent lighting. So that's a great way to incorporate some warmth and texture into a room is by changing out your lighting. Now, I will say that one of the things that I'm wanting to do in updating in my own home, so if you're in the Elegant community, you're going to see this because I'm going to show you what I'm starting to plan to do because they're honestly going to start working on it soon, tomorrow, actually. And one of the things that I'm going to do is change out my lighting. Now, I'm going to give you guys some links. Honestly, I'll just do a post and I'll give you some links to some beautiful lamps and lighting that we used in the Autumn house. I love them. And that is a really inexpensive way. You can find beautiful chandeliers anymore for under $100. So it's so important to really look at your lighting and see if it needs to be updated. If you're just getting tired of what you have already, go and update that and freshen it up because it really makes a huge difference. Okay, so to recap on that, first, rearrange your furniture. Go do that. Makes a huge difference. Number 2, update your hardware in your kitchen, your bathroom, your living room, wherever you have any built-ins. Go change out your hardware and see how that changes it. And number 3, add and change lighting. That makes a huge difference in your space, and it's super easy, super simple, and makes a huge difference. I'm always tired of my lamps. Yes, Tracy. If you feel like that you just need a little refresh, and sometimes you can just add a little lamp and it just like, oh, I love being in that room now because it feels so much cleaner and fresher, and it just gives you a renewal and a refresh, especially this time of year when we're about ready to be in our homes a lot. So it's a perfect time to change that stuff out. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. Make sure you share, like, and comment, and do all the things. We're so glad you're here. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.